We saw that the Sukshma Sharira is composed of the Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Prana, Manas and Buddhi, a total of 17 aspects. We saw about the Karmendriya and Jnanendriya. We'll look at what the Pancha Prana are. The Pancha Prana include Prana, Apana, Samana, Udana, Vyana. These 5 Vayus, you can see. And whatever movement that we see in the body is because of the Pancha Prana. In fact, when somebody passes away, we say that the prana has left the body, and hence there is no movement in the body, there is no growth in the body. And eventually the body decays or decomposes, and then things happen to it. And you would have noticed that many people who have the habit of saying a prayer before they have food, they take some water in their palms and then encircle the food and then chant the name of the Pancha Prana, so that the food that we eat nourishes all aspects of the body and gives strength, vibrance and energy to our body, to the Annamaya Kosha. So let us look at what the Pancha Prana are, though it is not elaborated much in the Tattva Bodha, but it's useful to understand. The prana, which is basically an upward moving Vayu, governs respiration and the pumping of the heart. It ensures that we get enough oxygen to our body, and then the heart functions properly and the breath is proper. The Apana Vayu can be looked at as a downward movement where it is responsible for the elimination of waste. Waste from the kidney, from the urinary system, from the reproductive system, whatever needs to be eliminated from the body, even exhalation it eliminates that. That is why you would have seen that suppose you take overnight bus journey, some people feel a little constipated in the morning. That's because the Apana Vayu has been impacted. So you do some small breathing practices or some warm water or whatever to get the Apana Vayu moving, and then the bowels are cleared. The Samana Vayu operates between the navel region and the diaphragm region, and it operates on the stomach, liver, pancreas, intestines, and ensures that proper digestion and assimilation happens. So whatever oxygen that we get through the prana goes into the digestive system, and it helps in processing the food, and whatever energy that is derived out of the food, the Samana Vayu ensures that the body receives its right nutrients. So if the Samana Vayu is disturbed, then indigestion and stomach disorders can happen. The Udana Vayu is on the top, basically connect in the regions of the throat, face and head region, and it ensures that the sensory organs function properly and also the brain functions properly. So it's a very important aspect, and it also controls the movement of the limbs. So fast movement is possible, grasping something is possible, walking somewhere is possible, running is possible because of the Udana Vayu. And the Vyana Vayu governs the entire body. It pervades throughout the body, and it carries nutrients needed to every cell and every nook and corner of the body. It ensures that the blood flow is happening, the circulatory system is working fine, and the energy reaches all parts of the body. So it's a very dynamic thing, the Vyana Vayu. In order for the entire body to function properly, the circulatory system, the reproductive system, the excretory system, the digestive system, all the hormones, etc., you need the cooperation and harmonious functioning of the entire prana or the prana system, including the Pancha Prana. And hence the food that we eat, the activities that we engage in, the thoughts that we receive, all these need to be in tune with our entire system, so that prana is not wasted, but rather it is kept vibrant and we lead a healthy life throughout.